Welcome guys back to Living Life with Rick and Jerry. Today we have another item that I found online. This is a Mallyu refrigerator drawer organizer. I found this one on Amazon due to the fact that I got a new refrigerator that I kind of wish had a little bit more drawers inside. So this is what I found. This is again a Mallyu refrigerator drawer organizer, and it's a spring, I guess, attached drawer design. So let's go ahead and open it up. Just got it today. So let's go ahead and pop this baby open. Alright, we got some documentation, including warranty details and warranty contents. It says it provides 2-year warranty for our product from the date of original purchase, but only for damage caused by non-human factors. So I don't know, does that include hurricanes? So, and it comes with a postcard for Mallyu. Keep healthy and enjoy life fully. Not sponsored, by the way. I bought this by myself. There's nobody paid me to do this. So again, this is like just kind of like a simple drawer organizer. It kind of shows you how to set it up. There you go. And the dimensions, it's 12 to 17 inches in length. So there's kind of not a lot of shelves you can put it on. So it must be like a flat surface. It can't be like a hook type of surface. It can't be anything that's larger. I guess it's unstable. So here we go, the star of the show, the actual drawer. The drawer is kind of small, so it's kind of just like a standard drawer. It does come with like little dividers. It doesn't come with the dividers, but you can purchase the dividers that go inside. So that's pretty neat, but that's a really nice drawer, as you can see there. And this is the actual device that will be hooking to your refrigerator. Now the way this works is this part over here is going to spring open. Let me pull this out. Just like that. As you can see, that's the way it pulls out. So it can fit many shelves, especially if the shelves are like maybe one side is longer than the other one. So you can do that with this one. Once it's hooked on there, you tighten these screws here on the side, and it's ready to go. And then all you got to do is slide in your drawer to the bottom there, and you have a pull-out drawer. So in case you don't have a cheese drawer or you need to put some eggs in here, this is kind of a neat little design there. Pretty nice. So yeah, let's go ahead and install this in the refrigerator and we'll check it out. Let's see. And you guys can also see our new refrigerator. Welcome to my kitchen. As you can see, I got the new refrigerator installed. And this, guys, this refrigerator I actually found in the street. Somebody had given up on it. As you can see, there's a lot of dings and dents. Down here, it's a giant dent. And down here, there's even more of a giant dent. So this refrigerator, again, I found in the street. It was brand new on the inside. That's the only reason why I decided to take this thing with me. This thing was brand spanking new on the inside. The only thing that I did not like, again, from this refrigerator is that there's not many shelves in here as far as storage containers. So for example, I only have 2 fruit and vegetable slide out trays. As you can see, I have already installed one of the little slide out bins that I made into a cheese drawer. And then the other one, I'm going to put my eggs in there. So let's get the slide out drawer in here. All right. So again, this is very easy to install. As you can see, my shelves are rather straight. Let me bring you guys up higher. There you go. So as you can see, my shelves are rather straight. I want to keep all my tall items to the left, and here in the middle, I'm going to have space here, but also space to, put some more stuff in there, maybe some eggs or something. So let's go ahead and start. All right. So again, this side is the side that you pull. What you have to do first is I'm gonna slide out this top thing out a little bit, and all you gotta do is get those hooks on this side and you hook them to the back of the refrigerator like so. You pull, make sure they're on there. Oh, I think the screws are still stuck on there. There we go. So you put it on there, you pull, and you slap it on, and make sure it hooks up here. That's all you gotta do. I'm gonna put it right next to the other one. After you're done, let me get you guys off the tripod here, so you guys can see. All right. After you guys are done, remember the 2 screws? All you gotta do is tighten these down, so that way they don't go anywhere, or the shelf doesn't go anywhere. Here's the other side. There we go. There is the shelf. It's already installed. It's not gonna go anywhere. And you can slide it left to right, but other than that, it's not gonna go anywhere. So now, let's get our storage shelf. Here it is here. And all you gotta do is slide it in like a normal drawer, and whammo. Whammo blammo, now you have 2 extra slide out shelves that you can put anything you want in there. Kind of stops and hooks there so it doesn't fly out. And I'm using this one again for cheese. And then I'm gonna put these eggs in there. But let's test it out for now. I got more cheese that needs to be put away. And bam, more cheese. There you go, and that's it, guys. That's it, pretty much it for the product. It's really nice. It slides out really nice. It's not horrible. See that? It's a lot of cheese in there. 2 8-ounces, so that's like about a pound and something. So it holds a lot of weight. And again, you have more space in your refrigerator. Now I can put more stuff down here. Now I can, put all my tall items on this side and then not worry about anything over here. We can put regular stuff in there. So again, that's it for the shelves, guys. Let me know if you guys like them. Leave a comment down below. I will be linking this to Amazon in case you want to pick one up. I believe they were $11 at the time of purchase when I bought these guys right here. So, it's up to you guys. Let me know. And let me know what you guys think of my refrigerator. I paid nothing for this thing. Well, other than the repair that I had to do myself, I didn't pay a dime. What is going on here? Oh, the Coke. Oh, I didn't push the shelf back, dumbass. Idiot. Oh, open it. So, apparently, I forgot to put the shelf all the way back. As you can see, now that it's all the way back, there we go. Go ahead, Jared, close the refrigerator. And there we go. My refrigerator's crying because it's open. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Again, leave a like, leave a comment. Item will be in the description below, so that way you guys can buy one on Amazon. And yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next one.